In this video, I will compare the Wellacooler against traditional air conditioning to see if these portable units can actually keep up. When you look at the trade-offs, a standard central AC involves permanent installation, installer fees, and high energy costs, whereas this unit is built for zero-hassle portability. The standout feature here is the Frost Core technology, which claims to cool a room down to 60 degrees in seconds. Comparing the two, the Wellacooler is significantly cheaper to run since it uses low voltage and only cools the specific room you are in, covering up to 550 square feet. Traditional systems often waste 40% of their power on empty rooms, but this comparison shows a clear win for renters or anyone avoiding drilling and window kits. It is a side-by-side contrast between bulky fixed units and a lightweight device that includes 6 climate control modes and intelligent humidity sensors. Verified reviews from over 1,000 customers highlight its whisper-quiet operation as a major advantage over vibrating window units. It even functions as a heater and air purifier, striking a balance that standard fans simply cannot match. If you want to stop pushing hot air around and need something landlord-approved that plugs into a standard outlet, this portable design is a strong contender. Which cooling method do you prefer for your home setup? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching.